What's the value of the expression 8 divided by 2 over 4 times 4 divided by 1 over 2? Which option do you think is the correct answer to this question? This question has puzzled many people and led them to pick the wrong option. Let's take a closer look and solve it together. Quite a few people, when faced with this question, might immediately focus on the part 2 over 4 times 4, which I have highlighted in yellow, and they tend to cancel out the 4's. So, they rewrite the entire expression as 8 divided by 2 divided by 1 over 2. In the following step, they often calculate 8 divided by 2 and say this simplifies the expression to 4 divided by 1 over 2. And finally, they conclude that this must be equal to 8. Then, without any hesitation, they claim that option B is the correct choice. But this answer is actually incorrect. Alright, now let me show you how to solve this question properly. To evaluate this expression, we need to apply the PEMDAS rule. It means that we must stick to the correct order of operations and go through it from top to bottom step by step. Okay, as you can see in the image, this expression includes 2 divisions and 1 multiplication. And it's very important to remember that in the PEMDAS rule, multiplication and division are on the same level of precedence. So, in this case, we simply start from the leftmost part of the expression and continue step by step toward the right. It means that we begin with the expression 8 divided by 2 over 4, which I have marked in yellow. Alright, whenever you come across a division sign between 2 terms, it's best to use the KCF rule. In this rule, K stands for keep the first number as it is, C stands for change the division sign into multiplication, and F stands for flip the second fraction. So, we take the highlighted part and rewrite it as 8 times 4 over 2. Now, the 8 and the 2 in the denominator can be simplified and we can write this expression as 16 times 4 divided by 1 over 2. In the next step, we multiply 16 by 4, which simplifies it to 64 divided by 1 over 2. And finally, in the part that highlighted in blue, we again apply the KCF rule. So we write it as 64 times 2, which results in the final answer 128. Therefore, option D is the correct answer to this question. If this video was helpful to you, please don't forget to like and leave a comment. And to see more math videos, subscribe to the channel.